28. Java-Plum, 1 serving equals 60 g. 20 fruits. Source of vitamin C 14% recommended daily intake per serving. Fat-free 0.1 g per serving. 29. Jujube fruit, 1 serving equals 70 g. 5 fruits. High in vitamin C 46% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B6 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron 9% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of potassium 214 mg per serving. High in fiber 5 mg per serving. Fat-free 0.4 g per serving. 30. Kiwifruit. A medium kiwi contains 46 calories, a full day's requirement of vitamin C, and is a source of fiber. 1 serving equals 140 g. To medium. Very high in vitamin C 220% recommended daily intake per serving. Good source of potassium 430 mg per serving. High source of fiber 4 g per serving. Low in fat 1 mg per serving. 31. Kumquat, 1 serving equals 95 g. 5 fruits. Very high in vitamin C 70% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of magnesium 8% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of calcium 5% recommended daily intake per serving. Very high in fiber 6 g per serving. 32. Lemon, 1 serving equals 55 g. 1 small. High in vitamin C 40% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. Fat free 0 g per serving. 33. Lime, 1 serving equals 55 g. 1 small. Source of fiber 2 g per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. Fat free 0 g per serving. 34. Longan, 1 serving equals 64 g. 20 fruits. Very high in vitamin C 90% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. Fat free 0.1 g per serving. 35. Loquat, 1 serving equals 64 g. 20 fruits. Very high in vitamin C 90% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. Fat free 0.1 g per serving. 36. Lychee, 1 serving equals 96 g. 10 fruits. Very high in vitamin C 114% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of copper 7% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin B6 5% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 1 mg per serving. 37. Mandarin. Mandarins are an excellent source of vitamin C and a source of fiber and vitamin A. 1 serving equals 88 g. 1 medium mandarin. Source of fiber. Source of vitamin A 12% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin C 39% recommended daily intake per serving. 38. Mango. Half of a mango has 67 calories. It is a good source of vitamin C, high in beta-carotene, and a source of folate, vitamin B6 and fiber. 1 serving equals 140 g. Half large. High in vitamin C 45% recommended daily intake per serving. Sodium free 0 mg per serving. Fat free 0.5 g per serving. 39. Mangosteen, 1 serving equals 83 g. 100 ml. Source of folacin 12% recommended daily intake per serving. Fat free 0.5 g per serving. 40. Mulberries, 1 serving equals 74 g. 125 ml. High in vitamin C 45% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of vitamin K 7% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of iron 10% recommended daily intake per serving. Source of magnesium 5% recommended daily intake per serving. Fat free 0.3 g per serving.